can you hear me?
I can hear you.
How you doing, Pat?
Hey, Amanda Ray. Good evening. How are you? I'm doing
Good.
great.
How are you?
Great. Thank you. Excited. I see all my friends here. So I'm
Yes.
very happy about that. But yeah, sorry we missed each other for the introduction. We'll
Yeah,
do it
that's
next.
fine. Yes.
We'll do it next week. It's all perfect. An event. Well, look, what I wanted to say tonight is first of all, thank you to all our wonderful, to everyone on the line and to our wonderful guests. And, um, you know, I got online about, 10 years ago on the online space, network marketing, you name it, I've been in it. And I live in New York City, and I had my own business as a real estate broker for 20 years. But I don't want you to think in any way uh, that I am the smartest crayon in the box. As a matter of fact, I also dropped out of high school in my 12th grade. In the 12th grade, I figured I was spending so much time outside of school. Why continue, But I was always an entrepreneur. And, what Amanda said is very, very true. It's not your background that matters, it's what you want to do with your life starting today.
Yeah.
And like I said, I don't consider myself the smartest crayon in the box, but I do consider myself smart in the fact that I surround myself. And I think that's one thing we all have in common here at SSM. We all surround ourselves with this team, and together we're stronger. So
Mhm.
when you decide to join us and learn and earn, let me tell you that one, you will not be alone. And two, there is no other platform. And I'm telling you, I've been on most of them over the last 10 years. There's no other platform where you can learn how to brand yourself and actually see your Facebook comments start to grow from like 0 to 10, 20, 30 to 100 to 200, 300. So now let me get back on my train of thought. So basically, you're not going to be alone. You have a team here. And again, what Amanda said is very, very true. Your past does not matter. What matters is who you commit yourself to be today. And again, being here for me personally, my Achilles heel is consistency. So what I've been learning from everyone and Amanda, and we have 401 people on the line right now, which is incredible after almost an hour,
Mhm.
is the art of consistency. So, all I'm saying is if you really are serious, and believe me, again, I'm going to say I'm not the smartest crayon in the box, but, if I can do this, this is the simplest program I've ever come across. That if you're consistent, notice the word is consistent. If you're consistent and you follow our blueprint, one, two, three. We have a blueprint. It's printed. You can print it out. And if you follow it, you will make money. If you don't follow it, don't come crying to anyone. You won't make money. Okay. It's very simple. Amanda, I thank you every day for coming up with something that's so freaking simple that even I can do it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pat. Thank you so much, and I appreciate that. And again, I'm sorry I missed the introduction. I will not forget next time. I
No
promise.
problem.
If we can have another person here, I'm going to pick someone tonight. Who we have Rhonda. Can you actually chat for us this evening? How are you, Rhonda?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How you doing?
Good, good. I
That's
actually have my
good.
camera on today.
I see.
So I'm doing good. I have to say that I've been trying to grow online for a few years. A lot of people don't know this. I haven't really said it in a long time, but I had an injury that prevented me from doing my job, which, by the way, I loved my job. I was a flight attendant, so loved flying all over the world, but I couldn't physically do it anymore. And I'm not the kind of person who can sit around and do nothing, right? So I was looking for ways like, what can I do? What can I do to earn some money and, make an income and stuff like that? And tried a few different things, and I just wasn't having any luck. And then you were getting it, well, you're just not putting in the work, or, and stuff like that from different, your uplines and stuff like that. And I was like, I know I'm putting in the work because I know myself, but I just wasn't having any success. And then I was introduced to this program. And I'll admit, I was skeptical at first. I was skeptical. I was like, not going to be any different than anything else I've tried, over these years. And my husband was just like, oh, here she goes again. Like, but I jumped in, and literally as soon as I took the first training module, I knew this program was different. I was just like, what? This is like, how have I been online now for 6 or 7 years? And I haven't even known these like simple little steps, and they're simple. They're simple steps that anybody can implement, right? Whether you've been online or not, whether you're a beginner or whether think you're experienced because you've been online for a while. Mm-hmm. I was just like, okay, I'm just going to do this right. I'm going to just throw everything out the window that I thought I knew because it wasn't working anyway. I'm just going to follow this platform just step by step. And I did it. And like within 2 weeks, it was just like my account was so different. I couldn't believe the way my whole Facebook profile was changing, and, getting more friends, more followers. People were following my stuff, watching it, liking, commenting, and then, you just start growing. And as you're learning the process, you're earning. And I was just like blown away by the program, blown away. And I'm so happy that I made that jump in because it's been a blessing for sure.
Yes, thank you so much, Rhonda. And I'm glad that you're here. Rhonda is actually one of our success coaches. She's been with us for a nice, decent amount of time, very consistent. And we have success coaches here. I didn't talk much about that, but we have success coaches. Everyone that comes into SSM actually meets with a success coach when they get started. Okay. So we wanted to do that because we want people to have their questions answered and to know what to do when they get started. And not only that, there's times where there's going to be things that you don't know. So if you are able to speak to somebody that, knows what to do, it actually eliminates the amount of time that you spend fooling around trying to figure things out. And the reason why I put success coaches together is because I remember in the beginning having to do certain things that would take me hours, if not days, to complete because I didn't know what I was doing. If I would have had a success coach, someone to just show me or tell me or push me in the right direction, it would have just been so much easier. So that's what I love about our success coaches. They're willing to go the extra mile and make sure that people have what it is that they need. Okay. We're going to go ahead and move. Thank you so much, Rhonda. We're going to go ahead and move right on to Kevin. Can you hear me?
Hey, Amanda.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm hanging in there.
All right. Happy to be here. Thank you for giving me a chance to say my testimony. Guys, I just wanted to say, this program by far, SSM, is the best.
Kevin? All right, can everybody hear me? Okay, thumbs up. We can't hear Kevin though, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, he cut out. He's probably somewhere where he doesn't have a good service. Give me a second here. Okay, we're gonna move on to Mark. Did you want to say something? I see you got your hand raised. Give me 1 second. Hit the unmute button, Mark. Hey, how you doing, Mark? Yes,
Doing well,
I can.
thanks. How are you?
Good. I'm hanging in there.
Excellent. So I just wanted to say thank you for creating the platform, and for anyone that's kind of like on the fence about it. I've been with the platform for 3 months, and I've seen more growth in my business in 3 months than I did with 3 years with another program. And I spent a lot of money on paid ads that absolutely went nowhere, posting 3 times a day on a page, and it just was not taking any traction. And as soon as I implemented the training that Amanda put together, things just started skyrocketing, and my jaw is still on the ground. It's been amazing, an amazing journey, and it's just beginning. I just want to say how amazing I find this training and platform is. It is just phenomenal. I'm really grateful that I took the leap and switched programs. Like when I was first approached, I was like, oh no, this sounds like another shiny object. No thanks. Be on your way. And then the person that brought me in, I just saw their progress online. And I was like, okay, at a point, you just can't ignore it. And then I was like, send me your link. What are you doing? And then the rest is history. I was in. I can't stress how amazing the training is. I've been through quite a few trainings, and this is by far some of the best that I've ever seen, ever. So thank you for putting this together, Amanda.
Yes,
so grateful to be here.
Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yes, I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, and that's the thing. What we want people to do, again, is just come in with an open mind and give it a shot. You know, a lot of people always say, you know, for the amount of value that you give for so little, it's just like, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. And then as you start to earn with the platform, then you can start moving up and you can start upgrading and getting more knowledge on the space and being able to apply that as you go. And that's what it's all about. We're going to go ahead and take one more testimonial and we're going to wrap it up. If you are new here and you want more information or you want to get started, please get back to the person that invited you to this platform, and it will help you get started. They'll give you their link. Ryan, would you like to do a testimony tonight? Hey, hit the unmute button. How you doing, Ryan?
Hey, can you all hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you?
Okay, wonderful stuff, wonderful. So I just wanted to start off by thanking yourself, Amanda, for this wonderful platform. I came into the platform 12 weeks ago now. I joined November last year, and I won't lie, I did not expect what I was going to find. But once I actually started training and I got myself into the team and the community of people as well, I found that it was so simple. Like it was so simple, like it was something that anybody can do. Like, and so you know, if there's anybody out there and you're struggling with a business, or you've been online for a couple of years and you're looking for that spark, SSM is your place to be, because I can guarantee you that most of us here on this webinar right now, that SSM has been the spark that we need to bring ourselves to life and to other businesses as well. So Amanda, I just want to say a big thank you for your commitment to the vision, and I want to thank you for all your hard work as well. And everybody else, yeah, let's go, because
yes,
I believe in this vision. And yeah, I've had great success too, and I'm excited for the future. So once again, thank you. I love SSM and I love everybody within SSM too.
Thank you so much, Ryan, and congratulations to Ryan. Had $150 commission in one day, which was just yesterday. Congratulations, Ryan. I didn't see that one coming, but he just applying the training, it works, guys. You just have to be willing to stay committed And you'll start to see a lot of growth, not only in your business, the way that you feel about yourself and your business, the direction that it's heading in, and the amount of people and the love that it's just like an outpour like nothing before that I've ever seen. We inspire each other, we motivate each other, we push one another, and we're all moving in the right direction together. So thanks so much, Ryan, and congratulations on that. And again, guys, get back to the person that invited you. Thanks so much for coming out this evening. We are definitely moving forward, right? And it's going pretty fast. And I just want to say thank you again to an awesome team. All of those who came out tonight, get back to the person that invited you. I'll see you guys next week. Stay inspired and stay blessed. Love you guys.